In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide your LinkedIn activity, effectively gaining more control over your online privacy and professional interactions. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to log into your LinkedIn account. Make sure you have your login credentials handy. Once you're logged in, let's focus on finding the right settings to secure your privacy. Head over to your profile picture located at the top right corner of the LinkedIn homepage. This serves as your access point to a variety of account options. Go ahead and click on your profile picture. Doing so will present a drop-down menu with several options. Among them, you'll see Settings and Privacy. That's our destination. So select it. This menu is essentially the control center of your LinkedIn account, allowing you to modify various settings related to your activity and privacy. Once you're in the Settings and Privacy section, direct your attention to the left-hand side of the screen where you'll find additional menu options. Here, you're going to want to click on Visibility. This section allows you to manage who can see what in regards to your LinkedIn actions and information. Within the visibility settings, look for the section titled Visibility of your LinkedIn activity. This is where you can control whether others are notified about changes you make to your profile. You're going to find an option that says Share Profile Edits. Toggle this switch to No, or in some versions, Off. By doing this, you prevent notifications from being sent to your connections every time you tweak some details on your profile, an often overlooked yet crucial privacy adjustment. Next, to take your privacy a step further, look for the option Who can see your connections. This setting can be particularly useful if you prefer to keep your professional network confidential. Simply locate the toggle switch next to this setting and switch it off. By doing this, you're ensuring that your connections remain visible only to you, which can be crucial for maintaining privacy in more competitive industries or when networking discreetly. Lastly, if you desire even more privacy while browsing, consider heading over to the Profile Viewing Options section. Here you'll find settings to control what other users see when you view their profiles. If you select Private Mode, your profile will be anonymous during these interactions. While this might limit the feedback or visibility you receive back from others, it certainly maximizes your privacy as you navigate through profiles. And there you have it. Simple steps to enhance your LinkedIn privacy, ensuring your professional online presence remains as discreet or visible as you desire. Experiment with these settings to find the right balance that suits your comfort level while maintaining your professional network's integrity. Thank you for tuning in, and stay mindful of your online privacy.